Don't want your presentations to look like this
It's the biggest piece of dog.
and have it look like this instead?
Hey, that's pretty good.
Fear not, as Teacher JM is here, and welcome to another part of Office Made Easier. Today we will be dealing with ways to make your presentations more professional, cleaner, and beautiful. Here are 8 ways to help further improve your presentation skills. But before we proceed with the meat of the matter, like and subscribe to this video in order to help us gain more subscribers and make the lives of others easier. First up, font thing. Enlarge and bolden key terms, use short phrases, and avoid long paragraphs. Make sure the font is readable. Next up, lighting. Follow this principle. Light over dark or dark over light. Make sure it contrasts. Still remember the color wheel? Be intentional in selecting the colors following the principle of the color wheel. Select complementary colors, adjacent colors, or whichever you prefer, as long as it has a purpose and it's not just some randomly selected ones. We have different color palette websites that you can use in order to help you select the colors you want. Aspect ratio. It's up to you, whichever you prefer, and for what purpose you are using the said select. The white space. It is the space between text, graphics, images, and blocks that allows readers to let their eyes breathe. Trust me, when you see this monstrosity, it is hard to breathe and look at.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Now compare that one to this one.
Nice.
You see the difference, right? Next is wording. Similar to what we discussed earlier in the font phase, we avoid long paragraphs and ensure font is readable. Wordings is the act or manner of expressing words. Do you use short sentences, short phrases, or just one word? That depends on you. Animations, often referred to as the movement of elements from one position to another, from entering up until its exit. Use appropriate image formats from, as mentioned from the previous video, which you can watch here. PNG and GIF or SVG formats are the best formats when you want to have something animated. Let's be honest, PowerPoint feels a little bit limited.
I mean, it's alright, like.
Fear not, we have some alternatives to make your presentations cleaner, prettier, and much more professional. We have Canva, Prezi, Keynote, Slidebean, Visme, and Google Slide. All of these are accessible for free, but if you want to have the more exclusive elements, you have to pay for a subscription. Now you're ready to make beautiful presentation. Always keep in mind to let the visual aid serve as an aid. Let me know what app you prefer in creating presentations by commenting below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to others, as one easy action as sharing might make the life of somebody else easier. This is Teacher Jam, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!